the exhaust system on this car. 65, 70, 75. Nice and quiet inside here. Revel. That's crazy. That is hella cold. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we are out here in Antioch at the Red Zone shop getting Eric's DC2 Integra with the K-swap dyno tune. He just told me right now too, he's had a couple of cars in his past, but this is the first car that Eric got completed, and his first car being on the dyno. I literally finished this car last night and I did like 1 or 2 pulls in front of the house, but I didn't actually get to drive it. So today was the maiden voyage of this K-swap Integra. We drove 75 miles to the dyno in traffic, in the freaking rain on top of that. And this car had some crazy idle surge, which was just the base map that was in it. Geif is going to situate that here in just a moment, but the car is strapped to the dyno. Geif is going to work his magic, and we're hoping to cross over 200 today. Eric just wants a little over 200. He'll be happy. We're going to try to give him a little bit more. So we were having a little dilemma with the idle surging. We thought it might have been just the base map, or what was it, the idle screw on the valve of the throttle body. Turns out none of those were the issue. The issue was the idle air control valve was stuck, right? And when you put your hand inside the throttle body to block off that hole, the idle comes down. So we took off the idle air control valve and Geif just freed it up. It spins now. Look at that. Hold on. Can you see it? Earlier it didn't spin at all. So yeah, he freed that one up. That is an OEM unit. Also, shout out to Bruce, because Bruce lives somewhere over there and he has a brand new one that he's actually dropping off like right now. So we'll figure out which one we're going to use and then throw it back in the car, get the idle situated so Geif can do his thing. I just want to say really quickly, Bruce did pull up and gave us a brand new idle air control valve, but the one that Geif cleaned, the original one, we put it back in and you guys can hear the car. It's idling now. It doesn't surge idle anymore, so Geif cleaned the idle air control valve, fixed the surging issue, so we're golden. Oh, okay. Okay, a little higher than RPM, about 8,500. Dude, you guys hear that VTEC crossover? I'm gonna get you guys a full pull here in just a moment. That sounded so good. God damn! I done felt that in my goddamn leg, dude. What in tarnations? Woo! it sounds so good. Right now it's like consistently making 215, 216, 215, 216. It's like right there, and it sounds really freaking good, dude. Such a basic setup. EP3 K20A JDM Type R 6-speed transmission, unopened, 3-inch intake. It's got the Circuit Works 4-to-1 header, 2.5 exhaust system from Revel, and bro, it's stock everything else. 215, 216. This thing is like a certified ripper, man. It sounds so clean all the way from the bottom to limiter, dude. Every single time. The last pull I didn't record it, but let's go. I don't know, them fireballs going a little crazy right now, dude. It got some 4-foot flames in the back over there. Golly. The car's constantly making 217 as of right now, so Guy said it's heat soaking from the radiator, and we turned the intake up just to get some cold air and see how much horsepower I can pick up from just doing that. It made 220 with that intake sticking up, bro. That's crazy. For real. Definitely doesn't buck anymore. That's good. So I took this thing for a little rip outside. Obviously it's raining, so it's just kind of breaking tires loose, but it feels good. The drive was just to see if the bucking was still there, because I showed you guys that at the beginning of the video. The bucking is gone. Awesome. The idle surge gone. Awesome. So we just, you know, pulled it up here, nose into the garage, because Guy has a freaking goddamn AC machine, and you guys know we did the full hybrid racing line kit for the K series. This car has just about 90% new O-ring, and everything should hold. So they were doing a little research on the computer over there to see how much it takes. So he's gonna hook that up right now. So Guy's just charged the AC system on here, and this thing right here is frosty. Look at that. Frosty. So the hot cold valve is getting stuck with the knob, so it's like partially open, partially closed, but the AC is getting cold. Like it's cold right now. Like this is cold. Yeah, that's cold. He's got a little thermal gauge right there. What's it reading on your thing?
It's got the valves open somewhere. That valve is still cracked.
Yeah, it's really tight on the knob, so.
Yeah, that's not even that cold because ambient right now is 63.
Yeah, I mean that's still colder than like, you know, 66. Yeah, so this thing is like super stuck, right? Because we don't have the factory bracket. So what it's doing is it's too straightened, and I think we need to move the cable up or put the factory bracket back on to see if we can get that valve to fully close, because it's like partially open. But it does have working AC. The clutch is working and the system is charged, so that's good to know. The tune's all done, so that's all the covers back on. Hey guy, when you put that clamp on the wire, it doesn't matter what cylinder you put it on. What does that do?
Reads torque.
Oh, it reads torque. Yeah, pull the cover off so you can put that little wire on to read torque. And you gotta take out the strut bar to access the 10 mil bolt, but not a problem. But the tune's done, so we can put it back on. Now it looks proper, huh?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
I like how that, yeah, with all the covers and.
This makes it like super, like official, like factory.
Yeah, I wanted like the OEM strut bar too, you know.
Yeah,
yeah.
I didn't get to try it because I ran out of time. I had the Type R one too.
Okay.
It's same color, everything. Well,
oh.
We're driving this back to my house, right?
Yeah, yeah. You driving?
We might even try it. I have it. I'll give it to you.
I got the whole night off, bro. Like,
hey, I have that Type R strut bar, and it's been sitting for, I don't know, like 8 years now.
What?
Yeah, because I don't have an Integra. Man, this thing drove all the way back home, no problem, dude. Cherry, a little wet outside, man. I hydroplaned like 3 times, but cherry, man. No more bucking, no more idle surging. This is like a daily beater right here.
I know the best
It's all good thing about it.
Me and Eric was out there at Denny's just eating up some late, you know, meals, and we were just hanging out talking for a little bit. We're back at my pad right now, and before Eric takes off home, we're gonna try this strut bar that was gifted to me for a while, and I don't have any need for it. So we're gonna see if it clears the valve cover, because if it works, I'm gonna give it to Eric. You know, what better way to complete the Type R accessory than with a Type R strut bar. So this goes right here, hoping that it clears the valve cover, and that's going to be a nice finishing touch to the whole Type R deal we got going on here. Before I try this, I'm gonna pray that it fits.
One time.
It's loose too, so
Okay.
oh yeah.
Oh shit.
And if it ain't a Type R, then it ain't a tight car. Let's go. Okay. Man, what the hell? Freaking battery died. But anyways, guys, we got the Type R strut bar installed. Now that is officially official. Sheesh. That looks so good in there. You just gotta find that sweet spot, that's all it is. Drive safe. And that's all she wrote.